Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So, I'm sorry I've been MIA. I really needed a few days off, but we're back, and gonna be several videos coming up this week, and then we have our second subscriber appreciation giveaway this Wednesday. Looks like it's going to be at 4 o'clock. You can go vote for it on my community page, and we will go from there. But the majority right now seems like everybody wants it at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So we'll see if there's any more people voting, and we'll go from there on the time. And then the next one, the last one, will be at a different time. So we'll, I'm trying to alternate the time so everybody can be there. So today I bought some golden corn, super sweet corn over at my Kroger. These were 77 cents on sale. I got 4 bags of vegetables. 2 are Brussels sprouts that I'm just going to be making for dinner. But 2 are super sweet corn, and I'm going to be dehydrating these today. And then we are going to be making cornmeal. So you guys stay tuned, because this is a much needed video right now because of all of the shortages and everything. And I really haven't talked about the shortages much on my channel, but I really think we need to, and we're going to be talking about budget-friendly meals, what's coming up in the future with the high prices of food, and how you guys can prepare now. So this is one of the ways. I have found no cornmeal in my area whatsoever, so I'm going to be making my own. So the next best thing is the frozen corn. I also have a big number 10 can of corn, but instead of that, we are going to be using frozen corn, dehydrating, and then grinding it up. So I'm going to be putting it on the trays like this, and then putting it in my dehydrator. So this is one tray. Let me get the next tray. Okay, so I put that tray in the dehydrator. Here is the second bag. So it looks like a lot. Okay, but it really isn't. When this all dehydrates down, it's not going to be very much, but it'll be enough for me to store a little bit of cornmeal. And I will show you guys how I grind this. It is super, super easy. This corn, if you guys find this is really good, it does not make sweet cornmeal. It just makes really good cornmeal. So I'm going to take you guys along for this, and I will show you when it's done, and how I grind it up. Okay, you guys, I am back, and here we have the corn all dehydrated. This is only some of it, just enough for me to show you guys how I do this. I have my electric coffee grinder, spice grinder right here. I'm going to be putting it in here. This makes an awesome cornmeal. So look at that, nice and dry. So those of you guys who have not thought of this before, this is really awesome to have. If you want to make fresh cornmeal for like cornbread or something, this is the way to go. This is awesome. So you can also do this with freeze-dried corn. Absolutely. It's a little bit more expensive, of course. And I like to save my freeze-dried corn for meals and snacking on. Dehydrated is really hard, so you really can't snack on it. But the freeze-dried corn is really scrumptious to snack on, you guys. So this is what we're doing with the dehydrated. I'm going to show you guys the whole process. Really super easy. Only takes a couple seconds. We're going to have some nice yellow fresh cornmeal. Okay. And I'm going to put this in a jar so you guys can see it, but look at that. Scrumptious, right? Okay, so let's get a jar out of here before I put it in a regular jar. Look at that. And, okay, I have a little bit in here. That is how we do cornmeal, you guys. That is cornmeal. So, look at how easy that is. That is going to make the best cornbread ever. So, and I will take you guys along when I make cornmeal. I don't have time today, but isn't that amazing? Oh, it smells so, so good. So it's that easy. So yes, you can do this with popcorn if that's all you have. This was done with frozen, like I showed you guys. And it's nice and dark, keeps the color, and it comes out just like that. So, word of the day today is cornmeal. Let me know if you guys have made your own and what you think of it. And this is what we make cornbread out of. And if you're having trouble finding cornmeal or flour or sugar or anything like that, please let me know in the comments below when you guys comment the word of the day there. And let me know how things are going in your area. So there you go. Fresh cornmeal, you guys. I'm going to put this in a jar. Well, a little bit bigger than this one. I love these little jars. But I'm probably going to put it back into this one because I am going to be doing some more. So, videos to come, and we're going to be talking about some budget meals and things that you should be storing now very soon. And a Thrive Life video May special is coming up. So we're going to be talking about that. Stay tuned, you guys. Lots of videos to come, including a gardening video. Okay, so I will see you guys soon. And don't forget, in order to enter the giveaway on Wednesday, we are going to be going back to January, February, March, April, and up to current videos. Look for hashtag WOTD. That's the word of the day. You want to listen for the word of the day in each video. Comment that word and like the video. That's all you need to do. When I see it, you guys will get a key. If I don't see it, no worries. I'm going to be searching for the keyword for the random giveaway. And that's all you need to do is just comment that word of the day and like the video. And be subscribed. You have to be subscribed to my channel. So thanks for watching, you guys, and stay tuned for more. I will see you later.